Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about ask, that is about am, y equals to an, and in this situation I approach to number 0 because when I approach to number 0 in here, this one and this one you got number 0, and that's why s and y approach to number 0 in here. So this one we can change by 8 approach to number 0. S we change by am. And white we change for an. Now we put 8 go outside, so that should be like this. Similar for the second one. Now we simplify by a square. So when I approach to number 0, we put number 0 cone here. Even this one, they are different. They always got number 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.